Once you log in, you will find the main dashboard. You have to connect your email to get started. Click on Mail Accounts on the left of the screen. Once in there, click Add Account. You can add your account by Google, Microsoft, Elias, or SMTP. As you can see, I've already added my Gmail account, so now we can set up our first campaign. To set your first campaign, you click on Campaigns and then New Campaign. Once there, you will have to give the campaign a title. It's also important to ensure you're sending it from the desired email address. You can also assign the campaign to somebody on your team. Next, you have to upload your prospects to the campaign. You can upload via CSV file, enter the prospects manually, import from one of our integrations, or alternatively, from an existing list. I've uploaded my CSV file, and now I'm importing the prospects. This will take a few minutes to load. Then once you have them added, you will see the prospects. You now have the option to track the opens or schedule the campaign to send at a later date. Tick the box if you want to activate them or leave them blank if you don't want tracking or scheduling. You will go to Sequence, click on Sequence, then you create a new sequence. You have the option of adding social touchpoints to your sequence here if you wish by clicking Tasks. For this video, we will just be showing how to set up a campaign via email only. You create. Then if you'd like to add a follow-up, you click on the plus button and click Follow-up. You can add whatever you'd like to the follow-up message, and you can edit how many days after you would like the follow-up message to be. You can personalize your email individually. Click Personalize, and in the next screen, you can personalize each message. You'll see for this example, I have 2 prospects in my campaign. I can edit each individual email if I wanted to. Now you can launch your campaign by clicking on the Start Campaign button. You can also warm up your emails in advance to improve deliverability. Click on Deliverability. You can connect your email account and warm up your email before you start sending out your emails. You can also set up integrations with Voila Norbert from the dashboard. If you wanted to add an integration, you click Connect New App, and there you can integrate with Slack, Pipedrive, HubSpot, Salesforce, or Calendly. There is also a report section as well, where you can see the metrics and the KPIs related to your different campaigns. Compare different campaigns to see what works well and what didn't work well. Good luck!